Hi. Yep, it's as bad as it looks. Actually, the Parodius series of games are great, hilarious, fun shoot-em-ups that were mostly relegated to the Japanese markets. For reasons. So, let's play Sexy Parodius for a minute, shall we? We're going to be using the MAME arcade emulator on PC, and I'm going to attempt to use my keyboard with this. Let me put this down for a minute. This will not last long. Let's see if I keyboard. So, okay, right. No cheats, for brevity's sake. Yeah. Let's go auto, since I have no idea how to control this properly. My opponent is Corn. And here we go! As you can see, the game uses the same mechanics as the Gradius series. Power-ups at the bottom, shooting at the top. The rest of it, however, is an absolute insane milieu of strange characters, new power-ups. There's a bell. Bells come in handy later. And I'm on a farm. The soundtrack is excellent. Yeah, American Patrol. My favorite song to play when I was in grade school band. Even before I played tuba. Yes, I played tuba. I was very good at it once, too. Let's see if we can get a bell. As you shoot bells, their power-up styles change. From, as you can see, a Super Bomb to a Pac-Man style character named Alex, to simple points, to enlarging yourself. It's Parodius. So, classic shmup things apply here. Get power-ups, shoot things, dodge everything. First stage typically isn't too difficult, but it is a bullet hell. I like Corn. I don't want to shoot Corn. By the way, my missiles. Look at those guys. Look at that guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, he got winded. Look at him. Look, he's winded. No. Alex. Thank you, Alex. Gimme. Ladies and gentlemen, Corn. Yeah, no. Big. Let's go big. Now, I can't fire, but my body is a weapon. Oh crap. Crap. Shoot the corn. Almost. I beat a boss! Oh. Stage 2. An objective-based stage where I have to collect or shoot 300 things. We'll figure that out in a minute. Okay. Sorry for the clickity-clack. I do have a nice keyboard. Corsair K100. Well, this has been me attempting Sexy Parodius. It is as bad as it sounds. Game is good. This is all awful. I'm Brent Diskin, and good day.